to SciTi Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a touch circuit by turning an LED on and off by simply touching some wires. Let's get started. I have right here a 1 K Ohm resistor, a FB3207Z in-channel MOSFET, and of course, a breadboard. So I'm going to go ahead and take my MOSFET and place it into my breadboard just like this. Now I'm going to take my 1 K Ohm resistor and connect it to the drain of my MOSFET. Now I'm going to go ahead and connect my LED, the cathode to the resistor, and the anode to the positive rail. There we go, just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and connect a jumper wire to the source of the MOSFET and connect that to ground. And now take another negative jumper wire and connect it to the same row of the source and just leave that wire loose. Now take a positive wire and connect it to the gate and leave that loose. Now I'm going to go to my lab bench power supply and crank it up to 5 volts. And now I'm going to go ahead and power my breadboard from my lab bench power supply. And there you have it. Circuit is complete. Now let's go test it by taking the gate and touch it onto the LED, and it turns on. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the source and connect it to the gate. It switches off the LED. Touch the LED and touch the 2 wires. LED, 2 wires. On, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. And now you can use your fingers and it will work the same way. So you go ahead and you touch the wire that connects to the gate and touch your LED. And there it goes, it turns on. Now touch the wire to the source and there it goes off. And you can touch it slightly too, which will turn on the LED a little bit, and it switches off. And there you have it. Turns on all the way if you leave your finger on it longer. Touch it lightly and turn it off. Let's see it in better lighting. Turn on and then turn it off softly and does the same thing backwards. On and off. On slightly, on almost, on completely. Now same thing on the off slightly more, off completely. I plan on making this in the future to create a lamp that's designed the exact same way. Stay tuned for a future project of that. And there you have it. A touch circuit with a simple MOSFET and an LED. Thank you for watching SciTi Tech, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more SciTi Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.